Alright, we have gotten all our data out into our Google Analytics and Facebook worksheets. Let's get our totals data into our assignment worksheet. For this, we just reference the other worksheets as you would with any other spreadsheet. Also, assign the right format to the values so that it looks more readable. Some cell values are functions, so just assign the right cells to the function. Do this for the whole column down to the bottom. Your numbers may be higher or lower, depending on the business you run. Also, my Facebook and Google Analytics data are from 2 different years. I use those years only for demonstrating purposes. You should, of course, take the right ISO year and ISO week from the advertising platforms. Highlight the column and drag the formulas to the next column, where you need to add the sales growth rate. Now you can simply highlight the whole column and drag it to the last column. If you need more columns, add them at the end of your sheet. You can add hundreds of columns, so don't worry that you run out of columns within a year or two. Now you're able to assess your overall marketing spending on Google Analytics and Facebook. From this worksheet, you can then later make graphs either here in Google Spreadsheet or on Google Data Lab or on any other dashboard platform like Geckoboard.